All right, guys, welcome back after that short advert break. Let us continue with our lesson. We'll be now focused on hire purchase, but with more detail, right? So let's quickly run through it again. I indicated that hire purchase is a system where someone pays for an item in regular installments while having use of that item, or it can be items, right? It's also used when customers don't have enough money, right? They don't have the full cash amount to buy that product, okay? Then customers can put down a deposit, and that deposit is usually a percentage of the value of that product. Also important to note is that the remaining outstanding balance is then paid off by means of monthly installment repayments, okay? And then lastly, I indicated the outstanding balance is charged at simple interest. Now let's put all of this into context, right? Okay, guys, so question 1 indicates here, it says Daniel buys a portable speaker for 2,850 Rand on hire purchase. Interest of 18% per year is charged for 3 years on the full amount. Okay, so I'm going to underline the important words and figures here. So the cost price is 2,850 Rand if you should buy it cash. But remember, it's a hire purchase deal, right? So therefore, interest of 18% per year is charged for a period of 3 years. Okay, so question 1A says, calculate the total amount that Daniel will pay for the portable speaker. Okay, so let's quickly do this one. So therefore, I'll start off by saying, remember it's 18%, so I'll write it as 18 over 100% of the price of 2,850 Rand, and that will be for a period of 3 years. All right, so let's quickly do that calculation. 18 divided by 100 multiplied by 2,850 multiplied by 3. So that will give us an amount of 1,539 Rand. But remember, this is only the interest, right? We would like to know, calculate the total amount that Daniel will pay for the portable speaker. So therefore, I go and I say, to get the total amount, I will take the 2,850 Rand plus the interest of 1,539 Rand. Okay, remember, you still need to pay the price of the item as well. So I'm going to add the two amounts together. So therefore, in total, Daniel will end up paying 4,389 Rand. Guys, I hope that's clear to all of you. 4,389 Rand. Okay, let's now move on to our next question. Question number 2, or 1B for that matter. It says, the loan must be paid back in equal monthly installments. How much must Daniel pay back each month? Remember, we said the total amount to be paid back is 4,389 Rand. Right? We also indicated that he has 3 years to pay back this money. So therefore, I'll go and I say 4,389 Rand divided by 36 months. Right? How did I get to 36? Took the 3 years multiplied by 12. So let's type that in. So therefore, he will have to pay back every month 121 Rand and 92 cents. Remember, guys, we round off money to 2 decimal places. Okay, I hope that's clear to you. I took the total amount to be paid back and I divided that by the amount of months in the 3-year period. Okay, let's look at another question. It says, what percentage, correct to 1 decimal place, of the total amount will be interest? Okay, remember we've indicated in the previous slide. Let me just double check that amount. Right here, we indicated 1,539. Okay, so that's the interest amount, 1,539. So I'm going back to my question. It says, what percentage, so your answer should be in percentage form. Also, it must be correct to 1 decimal place. Of the total amount, what's the total amount? There, it's 4,389 will be paid in interest. So therefore, I'll go and I say, it's the 1,539, that's your interest, of the total amount. The total amount is 4,389 Rand. Since I want a percentage, I will multiply that by 100. Okay, let's key this in. So I'll say 1,539 divided by 4,389 rand multiplied by 100. So that will give us 35,06, and it gives us other digits as well. I went on to only the second one so that I can show you how we round off. So therefore, rounded to one decimal place, it will be 35,0. Okay, sorry, it should be one decimal place. So therefore, I look at the second one, and therefore, that 0 becomes a 1 because 6 is more than 5. Guys, I hope that's clear to all of you. All right, guys, let us quickly take a short advert break. After the break, we'll continue with more maths. See you now.